So our theme for youth group these days, and more specifically for the main trip, is the whole idea of becoming who you are. And one of the things that really stuck out to me with some of the different devos that we did this week was just the whole idea of it's a process, becoming who you are. I'm not going to wake up one day and be this super Christian, but it's just gradual changes day after day to become who you are. Perfect example of this would be losing weight. When I would look in the mirror each day, I wouldn't notice that there was necessarily any sort of change going on, but things were gradually changing. And I would notice after a while different clothes were too big for me, or I'd have to add an extra hole into my belt to actually make it keep up with my pants. So it was a process. Things were going slowly. The biggest way that I really noticed the change was starting to look at pictures. Like when people lose weight, they always do the before and after pictures, and that's when you can really see like what the difference is and how people have come. And then for me, another big thing was just like setting goals. I would, just when I first started, it was because a doctor told me I needed to lose weight or go on blood pressure medicine, and there was no way I was going on blood pressure medicine as a 24-year-old, so I figured I got to make the change and lose some weight. So I lost enough weight that the blood pressure thing wasn't an issue, but then I started setting like other goals that I wanted to. There's this one spot on the Schuylkill River that we always swim at that I could not pull myself up out of the water. I always had to have someone help me. So like one of my goals was to be able to pull myself out of the river at that point. And another goal was for WeFit to tell me I was normal. So 3 years ago when we went to Maine, I was pretty excited about hiking up Blueberry Mountain. I had dropped about 35 pounds at that point. And so I just, figured it's going to be easy to hike the mountain. I'm, a lot more in shape than I was any other time that I've hiked it. And we started to do it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this mountain is so difficult to climb. Like, I was still struggling, would look up and be like, all right, like that tree, I'm going to get to there, and then I'll stop, take a break. And it was just brutal. I kept on stopping, getting drinks, and I was pretty frustrated by the time I got up to the top of the mountain, just because, again, thought it was going to be this piece of cake. I had, done all this work to get in shape and just wasn't quite there. So next goal then became, I'm hiking up Blueberry Mountain without as much difficulty as I'm currently having. So when we were headed up to Maine this year, I can't tell you how excited I was to do the mountain again. Since we went up there 3 years ago, I'm down a total of 90 pounds and a lot more in shape now than I was even 3 years ago, and have been, pretty much eating healthy and exercising on a pretty regular basis. So, the day that it was time to hike the mountain, we get up there and I was just so excited, so ready to go. And we're hiking, and all right, I can do this. Might have been out of breath a little bit here or there, but was doing the hike. And all of a sudden I'm dude, we're at the first ridge, which is the most difficult part of the mountain, and I got up there without difficulty. So I was all right, showing this mountain who's boss, that's what up. I don't know, it was such an awesome feeling to just be up there, and then to get up to the top and just sit there and look at the view, and to just know how much of a process it was to get up there. Even at the end, Scott and I raced up to the top of the mountain. There ain't no way you would have ever seen me running at the top of the mountain to get there before, but I don't know, I just felt very accomplished to be able to get up there so quickly. So just sitting at the top of the mountain, I just really started thinking about the past few years and this process that it's become. And if you take a picture from 3 or 4 years ago and look at that as a before picture and put it up next to sitting at the top of the mountain this year, sure, physically you're going to notice a rather significant change, a lot of weight drop. But there's so much more that's gone on in my life the past 3 or 4 years that was also part of the process that you wouldn't notice. And I think the biggest thing is just, having that goal that every day I'm committed to that goal. I'm focused on making sure that I'm doing what I need to drop the weight. I'm exercising, I'm paying attention to what I eat, and just focused on that goal. And really, no matter what your goal is, the important thing is focusing on that daily, committing to it. So if you're trying to drop the weight, you need to do those sorts of things. Or if your goal is becoming who you are every day, you need to be committed to that goal in order to make it happen. So when we're talking about becoming who you are, one of the most basic things is just daily, you need to be doing devos, you need to be getting in the Word. And I think it's difficult because you don't see like this great like spiritual before and after picture. You just, you know, day to day you're kind of doing your thing, hoping that what you're doing is the right thing. But you don't see like the changes. I think it can make it really frustrating because you just don't know like where you're going. But the key is just sticking with it. And, you know, you'll end up getting people commenting to you like, hey, like I've noticed you're a lot more patient with your brother these days, or, you know, just people notice things. And I think that eventually you will notice things too. You'll realize like, wait, normally I would have kind of flipped out at that person for just doing whatever they did, but it just didn't really seem to bother me so much this time. And I don't think there's any real thing that you can do other than daily committing, getting in God's Word, and maybe not noticeable on a day-to-day basis, but you're going to see that change gradually as you try to become who you are.